Hey, welcome back to From the Tech Desk by RC Experts here at Horizon Hobby. I'm your host, Brad Brooker. Today we shall install the number 34 Horizon Hobby NASCAR Cup Series body on your Arrma 6S Infraction. So before we get started, you need a few things. You'll need the tall body posts that are included in the Arrma Infraction 6S, a 2mm wrench, a 2.5mm wrench, and also a 5.5 nut driver. Now let's get wrenching. So we'll start by installing the included rear spoiler and hardware. You'll need a 2.5 and a 5.5 nut driver. Let's go get installed. Next thing we're going to do is install the new splitter that's included in the body. You'll need a 2mm to do so. Let's get this installed. Now it's time to adjust the body post. We'll start with the front. The front body posts are located on the outer hole of the body mount. The knee should be located on the inner hole. Also, we need to lower them as well. You'll see one hole showing, so get those switched out. Now go to the rear. We'll remove the actual stock body post, but also we're going to flip the body mount itself. We're going to flip it upside down. Go do so now. You're going to flip it, reinstall it. You'll grab your taller body post. You're going to install those on the outer hole. You're going to have two holes showing on the bottom of the body post. Grab the hats off the old body post, install them on the new ones. Now the only thing left to do is install the body. Go and grab it. Make sure everything fits correctly. Looking good. Grab your body clips off the old body. Well, there you go. That's how you install the number 34 Horizon Hobby NASCAR Cup Series body on your Arrma 6S Infraction. Thanks again for watching. Stay tuned for more tips, tricks, and other help videos from your RC experts here at Horizon Hobby.